Good morning. Today I am telling small story. You are small kids, right? So that I am telling small story. Once upon a time, there lived four cows in the forest. Okay, the four cows they were friends. They used to graze together in the forest one particular place. One day, a lion saw four cows grazing together. One lion saw. Okay, so he wanted to eat all of them. He went to he went to catch them. All cows noticed the lion. All of them fought with lion. So all of them fought with lion. So lion had to run away. A few days passed. The four cows quarreled with themselves. They started to grazing. They started to grazing separately, individually. Meanwhile, one by one, the lion killed all of them. What is the moral? Yeah, very nice. Unity is the strength.